Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the app permissions on Android phone. So here, through this video, I'm going to show you how you can manage your app permissions. So first, just select the app permission that you want to manage. For example, I want to manage this games right here. So just long press on the apps and here click on the app info, so the app information will be open like this, and here you can see there is a permissions options, and click on this to manage the permissions. And here, as you can see, the current permission, there are no permissions that I allowed on this apps or game. So to change it, you can just click on one of the permissions, and here just enable it by clicking on the circle until it turns like this. So now the permissions settings has been changed. Okay, so you can just repeat the steps for other apps. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.